everyone. Just wanted to upload a video, give you guys some updates on what's going on. Not a whole lot when it comes to track days or events. As you can imagine, at this time of the year, not a whole lot happens. But anyway, this video is going to be mainly about all the maintenance bills and service that I've been focusing on and spending my time and money. So with the Corvette, a few things happened recently. So there was a power steering fluid leak, which I managed to fix with my buddy's help. It was a temporary fix, and then everything was back to normal. But then I decided to be proactive about a few things, and I decided to take my car to the mechanic to address an oil leak that I knew the car had since I bought it. I saw it on the pre-purchase inspection and I didn't think it was a big deal. The car was driving fine. I took it there. It was to really just change the oil pan gasket and the crankshaft seal. I needed to get. I already had the parts and I just took it to the mechanic. I thought it was going to be a straightforward process, but it definitely wasn't the case. So as the mechanic was going to repair the crankshaft seal, he realized that there was something bigger going on there, and the pulley, the crankshaft pulley, needs to be changed as well because it's rubbing against the seal. So he cannot just go ahead and repair the seal without getting the pulley changed as well. It wouldn't make sense because it requires him to open up a lot of things. So anyway, with those news, I had to immediately try to find the part. And the sad thing is, well, the sad and expected thing is, for this type of car, you can't just go to the shop down the street and get it. So I called a few Vauxhall shops in the UK to see if they had something for a Monaro or for a VX R8, and unfortunately nobody had it on the official dealers. And then they gave me a contact for a specialist that work on those cars in the UK. But then I decided, let me try to get things done quickly because I don't want my car sitting in the shop for too long. So I ultimately had to make a call and order the part in the US through my cousin and ask him to ship it as fast as he could. The shipping alone obviously is more expensive than the part, but I ordered the part is on its way. Hopefully that's what it's going to take to get the car back to a very good mechanical state, because that's what I need. I need to get the Corvette to a nice mechanical state that I'm comfortable with and I can track it with confidence. So I can't wait for that to happen. Should take a few more days. Everything is being stopped nowadays by customs. Obviously they want their money. So yeah, that is the Corvette updates. When it comes to the Subaru, I had some big maintenance there were outstanding actually. So I have the car for, it's gonna be 7 years already. So I needed to do the timing belt, which is something that you should do every 5 years. And there was a smoke coming out of the car, of the engine bay, and it never bothered me too much because the performance of the car was actually really going well. But it started to get to a point that even my daughter was complaining about the smell, the smoking smell. I'm going to show you what it looked like. And ultimately it was the rocker cover gaskets, both sides. So on the STi, I did those two, the timing belt, changed the spark plugs, so the car is in a very good condition now. and obviously there was some serious money as well on those bills. And funny enough, 3 weeks later, there's a check engine light, and luckily I have a very cheap OBD2 reader, and it actually picked up what it was. It was actually a O2 sensor. So I contacted a local specialist on Subarus here, and I managed to get the part in a matter of hours. That's really nice. And I was even talking to my wife that maybe we should have Subarus all around here because how fast it was. So I got the O2 sensor. I can do it myself, especially, I mean, it's nicer with somebody's help. I'll try to do that myself, and I'm monitoring it. There's a sound coming on the rear right wheel. I'm not sure if it's the wheel bearing or brake discs, but I'm gonna monitor that as well. But yeah, that's what's going on. A lot going on when it comes to maintenance. A lot of money going down the drain, but that's part of it. I just can't wait for the Corvette to be ready. I want to take it to another nice track, to a track day, and ultimately, I want to get better seats. So, I'm gonna get some seats. I'll show you what the ones that I'm looking for, and hopefully everything is gonna go as planned. But guys, I just wanted to share some updates. I've seen a few questions and comments on my videos. Let me know if there's anything you want to see in particular. But I will keep you posted, and on the next car event that I go, or the next friend's car that I drive or try. But thanks for watching.